Hey guys, this is DJ, the CEO of YesMa'am.net hosting and maintenance, and today we'll be going over a new tutorial. Now, please note you do have to have a YesMa'am hosting account. This tutorial is going to cover how to check your website stats. If you do not have a YesMa'am hosting account, feel free to log on to our website at YesMa'amHosting.net and sign up for an account today. And once you load your website, you'll be able to check all the analytics you want. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at tutorials@yesmamhosting.net, or you can create a trouble ticket and one of our great people from tech support will get right back with you. Now, if you're ready, let's get started.